cells. Come, let's enter into this video session.
Formatting and inserting cells. Introduction. The formatting features of Excel 2007 are indeed unique and require a special mention, although usual formatting options of other software are also present in Excel 2007. For example, font formatting, pictures formatting, etc. The features that require emphasis are cell formatting, table formatting, and conditional formatting. Let us discuss these options in this chapter. Cell formatting. This refers to applying several formats to the selected cells. The number, alignment, font, border, fill, and protection of cell contents can be manipulated using font group and number group of the Home tab. Font alignment, number, styles, and cells group of the Home tab are used for formatting the cells. Now let us discuss each group in detail. Font group. The font group allows specification for the text in the cells. The font style, size, underline style, color, and effects can all be mentioned here. Font. A font is the writing style of text. There are many fonts available in MS Excel 2007. To change the font type, click on the arrow next to the font name and you will find a list of fonts which can be viewed by scrolling and can choose the font and then start keying in the text. Font size. The size of the text matters considerably while formatting. The text must be large enough to appear legible. The font size is provided both in the font dialog box as well as on the font group. Usually, font size is measured in points. The minimum size displayed in 8 and the maximum size is 72. But the font size can be set between 1 and 409 points. The font size can be changed by clicking on the arrow next to the font size button and by choosing the appropriate size, or the required font size can be typed in the box. Font color. The content in the cell can be made colorful by choosing the font color button from the font group of the Home tab. To change the color of the content in the cell, select the color by clicking the down arrow next to the font color button and choosing the desired color. Border. The border button allows the user to apply presets, border, line styles, and color to the border of the cells. Presets can be none, outline, or inside. The borders can be set to top, left, right, outside, thick box, etc. Fill color. The fill color button allows the user to color the background of the cells. To change the background color of the cell, select the color by clicking the down arrow next to the fill color button and choosing the desired color. The background color appears in the cell. If you want more colors, click on More Colors. More Color dialog box appears. You can now choose the required color. Alignment group. The alignment group changes the arrangement of the cell contents, varying in between vertical or horizontal as desired. Horizontal alignment can be intended as left, right, center, fill, justify, and center across selections. Vertically placed text can be aligned at top, bottom, center, or justified. To align the content in the cell, click on the appropriate button from the alignment group of the Home tab. Orientation. The orientation button is used to change the direction of text to diagonal or vertical. Orientation is mainly used for labeling narrow columns. To rotate the text, click the orientation button. The drop down list appears. Select the angle which suits your need. If you want more orientation, then click on Format Cell Alignment button. The Format Cells dialog box appears with Alignment tab as shown below. Number group. The number group specifies the manner in which numerical data will be displayed. Currency and accounting options offer specialized formatting for monetary value. Data and time options display the data and time in different formats. Numbers can also be represented as percentages and fractions. Cells group. Rows and columns can also be formatted as desired. The user cannot only insert cells, rows, and columns but can also insert a worksheet. Unwanted cells, rows, columns, or worksheets can be deleted using the Cells group of the Home tab. Formatting rows and columns. Row height and column width can be altered for the data to fit in. To change the height dimensions of the rows, click on Home tab, select Format button from the Cells group. A drop-down list appears. Choose Row Height. The Row Height dialog box appears. The row height can be mentioned in the Row Height field. Clicking on the OK button will finalize the row height. The row height is measured in terms of points. Similarly, the column dimensions can also be changed. Protecting worksheet. The protection option protects the data by locking the cells or hiding formulas. However, this has effect only when the worksheet is protected. To protect the worksheet, click on Format button from the Cells group of the Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Select Protect Sheet option. The Protect Sheet dialog box appears as shown. The Protect Sheet dialog box provides different options for protection of the worksheet like select locked cells and select unlocked cells, format rows, insert column, delete rows or columns, sort, edit objects, etc. The password option is also available but it is optional. To protect the workbook, click on the Protect Workbook button from the Changes group of the Review tab and select the option Protect Structure and Windows. The Protect Structure and Windows dialog box appears as shown. This dialog box provides two different options for protection of the workbook, namely Structure and Windows. The password option is also available, which is again optional. Styles group. A cell style is a defined set of formatting characteristics. MS Excel has several built-in styles which can be applied. This has made it very easy to format the worksheet with various fill patterns, border and other options. Styles group helps us to format individual cells, a table, a worksheet or apply conditional formatting. Formatting table. Format as table button from the styles group of the Home tab contains various built-in style or templates or predefined table formats that can be applied to the cell range. To apply the formats to the cell range, select the cells and click on Home tab. Select Format as Table button from the Style group. Conditional formatting. One of the important features of Excel is conditional formatting. It is much easier in Excel 2007 than the older version. With the conditional formatting, the user can format one or more cells based on the value in the cell. To apply conditional formatting, select the range of cells that you want to format. Click on Home tab, select Conditional Formatting button from the Styles group. A drop-down list appears as shown. Now click on the required option, sublist appears. An additional dialog box may also appear depending on various options that you choose. Inserting cells, rows or columns in the worksheet. To insert cells in a worksheet, click on Insert button from the Cells group of the Home tab and select the option Insert Cells. On doing so, the Insert dialog box opens as shown. Insertion can be done by shifting the cells right or down. The Shift Cells Right option will shift the contents of the destination cells right when new cells are inserted. The Shift Cells Down option will shift the contents of the destination cells down when new cells are inserted. It is to be noted that even rows and columns can be inserted from this dialog box. The entire row option inserts a new row. Row always get inserted above the selected row. The entire column option inserts new column. Column always get inserted to the right of the selected column. Inserting pictures. Although Excel is not software used for graphical work, pictures can be inserted into it. These pictures can be obtained in two ways: from clip art gallery, from a file. From clip art gallery, click on insert tab and select clip art button. From illustrations group, the clip art pan appears. From that you can take the required picture. From a file, click on insert tab and click picture button. From illustration group, insert picture dialog box appears. Choose the picture and click insert button. The picture gets inserted at the current cell position of the worksheet, which can be resized or formatted as desired. Inserting Smartart. Smartart graphics is a new feature in Excel 2007. Smartart graphics are used to insert a diagram or an organization chart on the worksheet. It is the easiest and most effective way to communicate your message or ideas. The diagram can be a list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, or pyramid. Formatting Smartart. How to apply different styles to Smartart. The user can apply different styles by selecting the Smartart, then clicking on Format tab and selecting the predefined styles viewed as thumbnails in Shape Styles group. Shape Fill. This button is used for choosing color for filling the shapes of Smartart. We can apply individual colors for each shape in Smartart. Shape Outline. This button is used to choose outline color for the shades of Smartart. Shape Effects. This button is used to choose the different effects such as bevel, shadow, glow, etc. for Smartart. Inserting a chart. One of the most important features of MS Excel 2007 is the creation of chart. Let's see the steps to create a chart. Step 1. Select the range of data. Step 2. Click on Insert tab of the ribbon. Step 3. From the charts group, select the type of chart. Step 4. Select the subdivision as per the requirement. Now the chart appears on the worksheet. Formatting the chart. Once the chart appears on the worksheet, the user can apply different styles, background color, legends position, gradient effects, etc. The chart can be formatted by using the chart tools. To change the layout and color. To change the layout and color of the bar, click on the chart, then from chart tool select the design tab. The following groups appear. Select the one which suits your need. There are two types of group: chart layout group, chart styles group. To change the background color, click on the chart, then from the chart tools, click on the format tab and choose any predefined style from the shaped style group. To format background for the chart, click on the chart, then from the chart tools, click on format tab and select shape fill button from the shaped style group. To change the chart type, click on the chart under chart tools. From the design tab, click change chart type and then select the required type of chart and click OK button. To change the chart size, click on the chart. Handles appears on the top, bottom, left, right and the corners of the chart. Place the mouse pointer on the handle. A double-headed arrow symbol appears. By clicking and dragging the handles in the appropriate direction, the size of the chart can be modified. Thank you, children.